Hi all, welcome to Reality of Hyderabad. Let's learn something new today. Today we are at Kokapet 1 Golden Mile Road. Let's explore the 1 Golden Mile Road properties which are under construction as on today. Kokapet 1 Golden Mile Road skyline. So we can see this Ramki 180 construction status and Rajapusla West Avenue and Prestige Tranquil. And these are Ramki 180. So G plus 35 floors high-rise apartment with the 3 towers. And Ramki one Astra beside that. So this is Alaikia Rise at Kokapet location. So they are coming up with a 4 towers with a 32 floors apartment. Starts with 3 and 4 BHK apartments. So view from the overall. And this is a Vamsi Ram New Mark project. In Ramkivan Odyssey we have a 3 and 4 BHK apartments. And this is a Rajapuspa West Avenue commercial office space with a 2 towers. You can see the Sunset Alluri 3 and 4 BHK apartment with a 15 floors. This is a Hare Krishna Heritage Temple and this is a Fairmount Commercial Office and this is a SAS Crown, Jayveri Pinnacle, Prestige Beverly Hills. And now we are exploring the Twilight. Twilight having a 3 premium towers, so which are 3, 4 and 5 BHK apartments. Each tower having a different floor rise. So one is 56, 46 and 49 floors high-rise apartment. Limited edition of the 462 flats. Now we are exploring the project from the Polami Group, Polami Palazzo and Polami Infinity. So Polami Palazzo is a residential apartment. Palazzo is a high-rise apartment with a 55 floors, having a 4 BHK apartment with a 2 different sizes, 4000 and 8000 SFT. In total, 145 flats. Polami Infinity is a commercial office space. So whereas we are having a 22 floors, 8 levels of parking, 4 levels of basement and 4 levels of podium level parking, and we having a 12 high-speed elevators in the commercial office space of the Polami Infinity. So you can see the construction status. Cyber City Westbrook construction status as on today, and we can see this Lansum Elena. So basement level work is going on. And this Maiho Pass, which is 6 towers high-rise apartment with a G plus 45 floors apartment with a 3 BHK apartment which is more than 2700 SFT. And this is a Divashakti Marcos. So we can see the construction status as on today. So we have seen the Kokapet 1 Golden Mile Road with a residential and commercial office space construction activity. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching our video.